Hello from Slovenia again. First of all, I want to tell you that I'm really happy because my Flora is feeling so much better. She looks like she was never ill, so this medicine CBD really help her, obviously. So I hope that miracle will happen, and thank you all for your prayers and good thoughts and everything, words of comfort, everything. Hey, thank you. So I didn't pour since these pink shades of pinks, and I just want to show you this card and this heart that it appears while it's drying. It's so cute. So I don't know, I just want to show it to you. And today I will try to do a dip on this puppy pads. I don't know the right word. I think that I say it right, and see what will happen if we do dip on this, if this makes any difference. So I will do black background today, and I think that this will be a little different because it's a different material than my bags, but we will see. And it's softer and everything else. I don't know how to say that. It's just different surface, different results, maybe, I don't know. I will just pour some black paint here. And I will just add a little more here where I see that I didn't add it enough, maybe. And I will do the edges on the canvas too. The sides, not the edges. Sometimes I just say something and then I remember that it is not the right word. I still have these problems, but I don't mind. I'm just so happy that my Flora is better. And we had she had a company, a little dog named Nera. She's much like her when she was young, and it gives here she gives some more life to her too. So they're cute girls, two girls. I will show you some Nera sound, but not today because I totally forget that I can show it to you. She's so cute. And I just think that maybe, and I think that here is not enough paint either. And maybe here. I don't know what will happen, and I don't know if I should do spiral dip or something else. Let's do a spiral. I will start with blue. This is Windsor blue. And next I will add some white enamel. And some metallic silver. Oops. And some alizarin violet. Some magenta. And I think that I will do gold, metallic gold next. And then cadmium yellow. And I hope that I will not get green here. I don't know if this is a good idea, but let's see. Nera! And I will just grab some black paint here and Nera! She's outside and she has doors open, but she's not, I have her for 2 days now, so sometimes she thinks that she's alone and just crying. Nera, Nera, Nera. And let's try to leave this and see. See, I have some blank space in here. I will just redip it. Maybe this yellow wasn't such a good idea, I don't know. We'll just torch this a little bit and see. Or maybe the blue. Think that I have something in here, or it's just I did get some green, but not much. I will leave it and see what will I think about this. In about an hour or so, but I really think that I have to add some black here, and I will try to blow this a little bit. Just have to grab a straw. I don't know. I will take you for a close-up and to see and tell me what you think about it. Maybe I should do one with blue, white and silver only. Because I like this combination. On the outside, but I don't know if this fits in here. So maybe this surface does make a difference, but not much. But I get some beautiful details, and I don't know, it's not bad, but not as good as I hope that it would be. So this is it for today, and see you on the next one. Bye.